Work just 5 years. Life is meant to be lived fully. Do you want a life like this? Then you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to share a very simple but powerful idea with you. If you understand this one concept, your entire financial life can change. Just invest 5 years, that's it. After that, you can enjoy the rest of your life without stress. Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, it is absolutely possible. The only thing you need is an open mind. You have to forget old beliefs and be ready to learn something new. Most people follow traditional methods without even questioning them. And that's exactly why they struggle financially. So today, let's break that pattern. Do you know the ultimate game changer? It's called compounding. But before we go deeper, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because videos like this can truly change your future. Now, to understand this clearly, let me tell you a story. This is the story of three people, James, Michael, and Ryan. They've been best friends since childhood. Same school, same college, same dreams. After graduation, all three chose different career paths. Ryan got a job in an IT company. His monthly salary was $500. Michael started working as a salesman. His monthly income was around $375. James joined his father's bakery business. All three were around 22 years old. At this stage, they all started earning. But the way they handled money was completely different. James and Michael enjoyed life fully. Parties, movies, shopping, eating out. They believed money is meant to be spent. They never thought about saving or investing. But Ryan was different. He kept thinking, how can I grow my money? How can I make my income work for me? One day, while searching for answers, he discovered investing in the stock market. At first, he was curious. But when he asked people, he got negative responses. People told him, the stock market is risky. You'll lose everything. It's not safe. Hearing this, Ryan got scared. But instead of stopping, he decided to learn more. He watched videos. He read articles and books. He studied how successful investors think. Slowly, his fears started disappearing. And then he took his first step. Ryan started investing. He invested $125 every month through SIP in index funds. It was a small amount, but he was consistent, month after month. He kept investing without fail. When he told James and Michael, they laughed at him. Michael said, this is a scam. You're going to lose money. James said, it takes too long. Just enjoy life now. Ryan listened but didn't stop. He trusted the process. 5 years passed. A lot changed. Ryan's salary increased from $500 to $1,250. Michael's income grew to around $1,000. James expanded his business successfully. But here's the difference. Even after earning more, James and Michael still didn't save anything. But Ryan had built a strong financial base. After 5 years, he even stopped investing. And still, his money continued to grow. That's the magic of compounding. Seeing Ryan's lifestyle, Michael started thinking seriously. He realized something important. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with it. So he decided to change. He started investing $125 every month. He continued this for 7 years. Now, they were 34 years old. Life became more serious. Family responsibilities increased. Expenses increased. Pressure increased. But Ryan and Michael were relaxed. Why? Because they had already built investments. They were not worried about money anymore. But James was struggling. Even though he earned more, his expenses were even higher. No savings, no investments, only stress. Finally, he understood his mistake. He decided to start investing. He began with $125 per month and planned to continue for 21 years. Years passed. At age 55, all three met again. They started discussing their financial journeys, and then they compared their investments. Ryan invested for 5 years. Michael invested for 7 years. James invested for 21 years. At first, it looked like James should win. But here comes the truth. Compounding rewards time, not effort. Ryan started early. That's why his money got more time to grow. Let's look at the numbers. James invested $125 per month for 21 years. Total, $31,500. Return, $134,000 plus. Michael invested for 7 years. Total, $10,500. Return, around $350,000. Ryan invested only for 5 years. Total, $7,500. Return, around $740,000. This is the power of compounding. Starting early is more important than investing more. Time is your biggest asset, so don't wait. Don't overthink. Start small, but start today. Now here's something very important you need to understand. Most people think investing is only for rich people, but that's completely wrong. Investing is what actually makes people rich. If you keep waiting for the right time, that time will never come. There will always be some reason. Low salary, expenses, responsibilities, fear. But the truth is, even a small amount can change your future. Let's be honest for a moment. Every month, money goes somewhere. Food, shopping, subscriptions, entertainment. But what if you just take a small portion of that and invest it consistently? That one small decision can completely change your life in the long run. Another mistake people make is trying to time the market. They wait for the perfect moment. But successful investors don't wait for perfect timing. They focus on time in the market. That's the real secret. And one more thing, don't expect instant results. Compounding works slowly in the beginning. It feels like nothing is happening. But after a few years, growth becomes faster and faster. That's when you realize how powerful it really is. So don't underestimate small beginnings. Your first investment may feel small, but your future results won't be. So what's the lesson here? It's simple. You don't need a huge income to build wealth. You don't need luck, and you don't need perfect timing. What you really need is to start early and stay consistent. Because in the end, it's not about how much you invest. It's about how long you stay invested. Time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the easier your future becomes. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. So don't delay anymore. Start small. Start today, and let compounding do the rest. Let me ask you one simple question. If not now, then when? Every year you delay, you're not just losing money, you're losing time. And in compounding, time is everything. Think about this. 5 years will pass anyway. 10 years will pass anyway. The only question is, will you use that time to build wealth? Or will you let it slip away? Most people realize this very late. When responsibilities increase, when pressure increases, when options become limited, that's when they wish they had started earlier. But you have an advantage right now. You're learning this today, so don't ignore it. Take action, even if it's small, even if it's not perfect. Start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Also, share this video with someone who really needs to see this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.